Alright guys, breakfast today is some steel cut oats with vanilla extract in it, some bananas and then berries. And then for my vegetables, I'm doing steamed spinach and mushrooms, and I just actually cook it all down in a pan together with a little vegan Worcestershire sauce. And then a nice tall glass of water. And this right here, guys, is what usually holds my camera. See that fancy tripod? Yep. Welcome back to another vlog. I haven't done a what I eat in a day vlog in a while because I've been doing the maximum weight loss videos for you guys. So I'm excited to do a little vlog. I know a lot of you guys have missed seeing what's going on around the homestead, but you haven't missed much because everything has been covered in snow for about the last 4 months. So in about another month or so, we're gonna start getting the garden beds prepped, and we are gonna be putting in the orchard and the vineyard. So I will be vlogging those things for you guys because I know you guys wanna see that as well. And I will still keep making maximum weight loss videos as well because I know that's been really helpful. After being on YouTube for several months and getting a lot of the same questions, I realized I needed to take some time and make some dedicated videos to show you guys exactly how to be successful and make it very visual and simple. So I will keep doing that, but it's nice to do a vlog once in a while for you guys too. I'll talk to you guys in a bit. So today I don't have a ton going on, but I did get a new package from Yvette Sportswear, so I'll show you guys what came in that. And I think I'm gonna take Nacho for a walk down by the river. Yeah, and then I gotta finish editing video today. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I am gonna be editing my acne video, guys, because I wanted to show you, I don't have pictures of my acne before I started because I never thought I would start a YouTube channel and I didn't want like tons of pictures of my broken out face. But a few weeks ago, I like had a lot of fat for a week straight and my face broke out so bad that I took pictures and I took video for you guys so you can see what happens when my face breaks out. And I've got really clear skin all the time if I don't eat too much fat, but when I eat too much fat, my face freaks out. So that video will be coming too. All right, let's get going with the day. All right guys, so I wanted to show you what I got in my Yvette order because you guys are always asking me where I get my athletic clothes. Now I live in athletic wear probably 90% of the time. I am in athletic wear. Okay, look at these gorgeous gray leggings. I love their leggings. They're so flattering. They're super supportive with like this band here, and they breathe really well and they look like skin. I absolutely love these. Oh my gosh, look how cute this bra is. Look at that. How adorable is that? I'm gonna love that. And I love that this bra, like it has the adjustable bra strap back there. I can be a little busty. I'm not as busty as I used to be, but it's nice to have options with the adjustments. Look at this bra, look how cute that is. And I do wanna say, I feel like their clothes, it doesn't look bad online by any means. Their website looks great, but I feel like their clothes look way better in person. And then when you have them on, like I have not been disappointed. Sometimes you can order from websites and be like, oh my gosh, that's gonna be so cute. And then you put them on and then you're like, not so cute. I have not felt that way with this company. Look how cute this shirt is. This is all mesh right here. So it's gonna breathe really nice. And look, it goes mesh all the way down the back. How cute is that? And it's got like these scrunch up sides. And then I love hoodies. Look at this hoodie. It's so cute. And it's got this really cool print in the back. So cute. How exciting. So I will link all of these items in the description box in case you guys are interested in checking any of them out. I'm really excited about this bra top. And they gave me a discount code for you guys, and that's Kiki15. So if you want an extra 15% off, you guys can put that in your coupon code if you check out. Let's see if we can get makeup companies to work with us. Jeez, like I cannot get anybody's attention at these companies, and I love their products. I would love to have a discount for you guys. We're all just gonna have to bug them on social media, I think. Get their attention. Like the Colorado dry winter is like murder on my scalp. Oh, it just like itches, guys. I don't have any lice, although the kids have brought that home from school a couple times before. So we have a lot of hair. Okay, so for my main course, I'm gonna have some brown rice. I'm adulting, guys, and trying to eat more brown rice. And some beans that I made on Sunday, and all I do is cook them in the crock pot all day long with tons of garlic powder and onion powder. Then at the end, I put in smoked paprika and salt, and it comes out so amazing. So that's my main dish, and I'm gonna have some grapes and then a nice big salad with some hummus citrus dressing. And I will link the video where I have a bunch of dressings, easy oil-free dressings for you guys, and this one's in that video. And then on my burrito bowl, I am gonna put this green pepper Cholula sauce. It's really good. And you guys ask me all the time, like, how I fit that much food in my stomach, and I don't know. All I know is that I eat a lot and I stop when I'm full, but it is a lot of food. I also did wait until I was too hungry today. I couldn't be bothered to stop and even get a snack. I was just doing my thing. So don't wait until you're like headache hungry, because I'm like right there. I'm like starving. I just want to get through this video so I can dive face first into my food. So yeah, that is a lot of food. I may have grabbed more than I can literally put in my stomach, but we'll see. You guys saw how much it is, and I will show you at the end. We'll see how much I get in. Okay, just for fun, we're gonna look at my stomach before I eat, and then we'll look at my stomach after. All right, this is pre-lunch. That's what we look like. We'll see. After I put all that food in, we'll see what happens. Okay guys, so this is how I did. So that is all that is left of my rice and beans, and a little bit of grapes left, but yeah, it is all in my stomach. All right, post lunch, I'm a little fuller, guys, but not a lot. See, it all fits in there just fine. Guys, so I just got to the piano teacher's house, and she lives on the other side of the ridge from us in this valley, and she's got acres and acres of horse property and tons of horses. So it's always fun coming here every week. And you know, my son gets a phone call in the middle of my video, and my daughter does her piano lessons, and I go look at the horses. And today we have Nacho with us. You're happy to be here too, huh? dinner time. So I'm gonna have a big salad again, and this is just equal parts maple syrup and Dijon mustard as my dressing. It is so good and my current favorite. So I made portobello mushroom fajitas, and so I've got oil-free refried beans here, and all I did was take the beans from earlier and blend them up, and then voila, you've got refried beans. And then you guys saw me cook the vegetables, and I put some cilantro and lime on it, and then I have some brown rice from earlier that I put cilantro and lime in as well, and I will throw that on there. So my husband and kids prefer flour tortillas to corn tortillas, so they're gonna make big burritos, and they're gonna have avocado on theirs. And of course, we love hot sauce. Again, I'm gonna use this one today. I've just been in that sort of mood. So yeah, here we go. Ooh, I love salad. There's just no pretty way to eat salad. Or maybe, of course I am standing here talking with my mouth full, shoving salad into my mouth. Sorry, Mom. Okay, so
Mom, I need to tell you something.
okay, can it wait? Because I'm filming right now.
No,
I can't wait. Okay, let's go. All right, guys, so it's about 8:30, and I usually like to be in bed by 9:30, and as usual, I'm going to have some frozen fruit for dessert right before bed. I'm going to have a cup of frozen blueberries, and I really like these Wyman's wild blueberries because they're really small. I don't like the big frozen blueberries. I don't think they're as sweet. I like how tiny these are. So that's what I'm going to have. I don't recommend having these before you have to be somewhere or at an appointment because they turn your mouth black, your teeth, everything, and it doesn't just wash off after one brushing. It takes like several brushings. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Remember to keep this journey about health and not just about the skinny. I love you guys. You are beautiful, and I'll see you next time.